Hey guys, and welcome to Riggs Garage. Tonight we're going to put an engine in the 70 Mustang Fastback. If you haven't seen this project yet, check out the previous videos on the Riggs Garage channel. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we're going to have a fun time tonight. Thank you.
You just touch the things that you hold on to.
Yeah, the bolt head. Mm-hmm.
The bolt head. The bolt head.
All right, get ready. We're going to make the pins in. Okay, put it in. Other way, other way. There we go. Keep going. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. All right, there we go. Woo! Good job, mister. Thanks for helping. So, I don't know how to get that in. I literally tapped it and it popped through. Alright guys, tonight's the night. Things are really happening. Alright, now we're approaching a plastic old bumper, so I'm going to lift.
Okay.
That's going to need to be, we need to get that over the radiator support, and then we're free to move around in the engine bay this way or that. So.
Okay. As soon as you say go, I'll start gently pushing forward.
Alright, go.
Alright, walking forward. Watch your foot there.
Move. Not bad at all.
Not bad at all.
We're touching the
Well,
door.
I'll tell you what, that is so close.
Really?
Do it.
This is a big moment.
This is a big moment. You've worked months for this.
Just hitting the firewall a little bit.
I'm just going to hold steady.
Rock and roll. How did I get it out? What did I do differently? Yep, that's what I thought.
Okay. Everything good?
Yeah. A little slowly. Are we clear over here? Are we crushing anything? The
hang
starter's
on.
sitting on the header.
It's touching it, yeah. If you've got a... Hang on, just...
Hey, yeah,
There we go.
some real action there.
Just kind of ratcheting it out of the way.
Cool. Now I'm hitting my shift bar linkage on the top of the header. I need to clear that, so I need to take some weight off. This is where I'm like, maybe I should have unbolted the header. Gonna remove that shift Z-bar linkage piece. Let me see where I am down there.
Okay.
I might be able to just
If we can, I'll tell you what, if we can go lower, you get a little distance from lowering it some more.
yeah. So if I get a little lower, get that guy snagged in, have you push, I'll just hook them in,
Okay.
and then we can crank this to here and just
We'll see. I've heard people say that their doctor said if you live that long, Open the gates, man.
God bless you. I know what to do now.
Okay.
We're going to start cranking that orange thing and pushing it back because the snout of the transmission is now over the cross member.
Got a gap there before, so I don't think it's...
Hey!
Here we go. Okay.
Oh yeah. I'm going to take out this transmission cross member. There's just a 9/16 bolt on each side. Alright, now I have room to get a wrench in here and bolt this mount back up. Now I'm going to install these shift rods for the automatic floor shifter. I took pictures before I took it apart. This is the bottom one. Things were acting funky because I hooked up the linkage from the transmission to the column without a key in it. Now the key's on. Shifter unlocks. Cool. Excellent. Cool. Shifter feels solid. I like it. Most of the annoying stuff underneath the car on my back in the concrete is complete. So I now have shift linkage, kick down linkages in place, speedometer cable. I will need to run transmission cooler lines, but I'll do that later when I do the radiator. So that's gonna be it for this episode. Next episode, I'm probably gonna get the headers bolted up, distributor wires, spark plug wires, I mean, whatever. Then we'll get a carburetor on there. The fuel pump needs to be installed. Then we'll run fresh fuel line to the fuel pump, and I will probably put my oil pressure gauge back in the car. We are almost there. Getting pretty excited. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.